Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to generate amazing YouTube video ideas using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. Whether you are a beginner or a content creator looking for inspiration, this video is for you. Step 1. Visit the ChatGPT website. Open your browser and type chat.openai.com. Step 2. Log in or sign up. If you already have an account, click on login. If not, sign up using your email or Google account. It's quick and free to start. Step 3. Choose a plan. This part is optional. ChatGPT is free to use, but there is also a plus plan for faster responses and extra features. You can stick to the free plan, it's perfect for generating content ideas. Step 4. Start chatting. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat screen like this. Now, we are ready to ask ChatGPT for YouTube ideas. Ask for video ideas. Try a prompt like this. Give me 10 YouTube video ideas for beginners on artificial intelligence tool. Press enter and ChatGPT will instantly generate creative ideas. Step 6. Review and choose your ideas. ChatGPT gives you unique, easy to understand video topics. Pick the one that suits your audience the best. Step 7. Follow up for script help. Want a full video script? Just type write a video script for point number 3 and ChatGPT will generate a complete script for that topic. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT for YouTube content creation. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you'd like more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.